Well, welcome back to the video, and you may see that the Crossmember has been undercoated and 2 coats of black hammerite has been applied. Before I do attach it to the car, I'm going to underseal, or I should say I'm going to wax oil inside using the sprayer. Again, this is the first time for me, and I've been advised to warm or heat the wax oil and thin the wax oil using white spirit. So let's give it a go. I would also like to point out that the tin of wax oil has been in the sun for maybe the last 4 to 5 hours. I just thought I would actually, before I do wax oil, just show you the condition of the Crossmember before fitted. So, you know, it looks a lot better compared to the Crossmember which is on the car.
No.
Okay, so I'm just going to press it now. As you can see, I've just fed it into the Crossmember and then slowly I'm really impressed by that.
Oh, so am I.
Oh, I'm sure you are.
So impressed.
That's really good, Vanessa, because that's going to be on video now. He's so impressed. And then if I just show you, oh, that's it. And then, oh, doesn't really matter. I want to go from the other side and do it the opposite way. So that's going to work. However, oh, how's that gone off already? Oh. I didn't even press it. I'll just pop it up again. Because it's supposed to be from. Well, you can't put too much in, can you really? For rust. I'm sure MG did not do this with the cars, and if they did, they would have lasted a lot longer. But I think that's the smell. That's it. And then I'll make, oh, you can see it is well coated. I'm sure that's going to dry. I think that's the end. And that's actually sufficient. So I'm actually happy with that. Right, Vanessa, thank you for your camera work. Well, with the excess wax oil, I thought I would decide just to spray the remaining part of the wax into the inner wing. You can see there, it's well coated, and I think, you know, I'm doing the pedal box, so I'm not going to spray into the other side, but you can just see there. But once the pedal box is in, everything's all tightened down, the pedals are in and the new bushes are in, I'm just going to wax oil and just wax oil every crevice I can see. So I've sprayed into there, you can see, and into there, but again I'll just do all the box sections. But it was just excess wax oil, and I'm not going to put it back into the metal tin. But I'm pleased with that. It took quite a bit of time to set up with all of the chores, but yeah, I'm well pleased.